Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I am Azhar Ali, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics. The institute name is Shamsul Haq Khan School and College. Today I will go to class 3. Subject is Mathematics and topics is equivalent fraction. Previous class I have already discussed what is the fraction. Today I will discuss the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is equivalent fraction. Fraction fractions which have same value each other. Such as here is 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10. Here is the same value equals to 1/2. It is carry the same value. Here is half, it is half, here is half and half. Here is carry the same value. Then here check the following. Check the following. Check the following equivalent fraction. Here is 2/4 and 3/6. Another 4/8, 5/10. Here is 2 multiply 6. Here is 12. Here is 3 multiply 4. Here is 12. Then 4 multiply 10. Here is 40. Then 5 multiply 8. Here is 40. So it is equivalent fraction. Another example here is 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Here is 2 multiply 5, here is 10. Then 3 multiply 3, here is 9. It is not equivalent fraction. Not equivalent fraction. But this two function is equivalent, but it is not equivalent fraction. Here is answer is not same. Answer is not same. That's why it is not equivalent fraction, and answer is same. That's why it's equivalent fraction. Then we check it, page 87. 87, here is some equivalent fraction. Here is write the equivalent fraction, page 87. Page 87. Here is number 10. Number 10. Here is write the equivalent fractions in the blanks. At first, here is 2 by 3 equivalent fraction. Here is 4 by 6. Here multiply 2 multiply 2 by 3 multiply 2. Here is 4 by 6. Then 2 multiply 3, 3 multiply 3. Here is 6 by 9. Another 2 multiply 4, 3 multiply 4. Here is 8 by 12. By this, here is fill in the blanks. Then here is 3 by 4. Then 3 multiply 2 and 4 multiply 2. Here is 6, here is 8. Then 3 multiply 3, 4 multiply 3. Here is 9 by 12. Then 3 multiply 4, 4 multiply 4. Here is 12 by 16. Then here is 3 multiply 5 and 3. Here is 4 multiply 5. Here is 15. Here is 20. Next, here is another is, here is 1 by 6. Here is 1 multiply 2 and 6 multiply 2. Here is 2 by 12. Then 1 multiply 3, 6 multiply 3. Here is 3 by 18. 1 multiply 4, then 6 multiply 4. Here is 4 by 24. Then 1 multiply 5, 6 multiply 5. Here is 5, then 30. Here is page 87, number is 11. Number is, here is number 11. Determine the equivalent or not equivalent fraction. Here is, do it. 3 by 4. And 9 by 12. Here is by this here. Here is 3 multiply 12 and 9 multiply 36. 9 multiply 4. Here is 36. So it is equivalent. This is equivalent. Tick marks is equivalent. Then 4 by 6, 8 by 12. Here is, then 4 multiply 12. Here is 48. Then 8 multiply 6. Here is 48. It is equivalent. It is equivalent fraction. Then 3 by 5 and 9 by 10. equals, here is 10, here is 30, then 9 multiply 5, 45. It is not equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Not equivalent fraction because it is not same answer. Then we will go to page 88. Page 88. Do ourselves write the fraction which indicates numerator and denominator. Here is number 1. Here is numerator number 1. Here is fraction. Fraction fractions numerator denominator. So here is numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. Answer is here. Here is number 2. Fractions is numerator denominator. Here is denominator and numerator. Here is numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. Answer is 5 by 9. Here is number 2, equivalent fraction. Number 2. Here is 1 by 5. 1 multiply 2 and 5 multiply 2. Here is 2 by 10. Another 1 multiply 3, 5 multiply 3. Here is 3 by 15. 1 multiply 4, 5 multiply 4. Here is 4 by 12. 2 by 7. Here is 2 by 7. Here is 2 multiply 2 and 7 multiply 2. Here is 4 by 14. Another 2 multiply 3. 7 multiply 3. Here is 6 by 21. Another 2 multiply 4 by 2, 7 multiply 4. Here is 8 by 28. Here is another purchase here. Number 3. Here is 1 by 3, 4 by 9. Calculation. What is the equivalent fraction or not? Equivalent fraction or not equivalent fraction? Here is 1 multiply 9. One multiply 9, here is 9, and 4 multiply 3, here is 12. It is not equivalent fraction. Another 3 by 5 and 9 by 15. It is 3 multiply 15, here is 45. Then 9 multiply 5, here is 45. It is equivalent. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. Not equivalent. Not equivalent fraction. Then number is 4. What is the greater and smaller using by symbol? Number 4. What is the compare? Which is greater or smaller? Here is number 1. Number 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Number 2, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Number 3, here is 5 by 7, 4 by 7. Now here is which is the smaller or greater? Use symbol. Use symbol. Which is greater? Here is when denominator is same, when denominator is same, then nominator among of this pair, nominator is greater, this fraction is greater, here is greater. By the same symbol, here is when denominator is same and nominator among of them, nominator is greater, this fraction will be greater than same. When denominator is same, then nominator, which nominator is greater, this fraction is greater. Number 4. Here is 8 by 9 1. When denominator is greater and nominator is smaller, then always value less than 1. So it is 1. Thank you everybody. Today's class is finished. You will try again and again. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.